If you're wondering whether Flytrap AI is the real deal or just another overhyped tool, stick around, because these 7 crucial things could save you time, money, and frustration. You can try Flytrap AI completely free using the first link in the description, but don't do that until you know what makes this brand new software stand out and where its limits are. Now here's the deal. Flytrap AI just launched and it's already making waves, especially among digital marketers, content creators, and automators. What sets it apart? Flytrap isn't just another ChatGPT wrapper. It's designed to trap intent, capture behavior, and generate outputs that feel almost human. Whether you're in copywriting, lead generation, or even support automation, this tool is built to convert. One of the most powerful features is its contextual memory. Unlike most tools that forget your flow after a few prompts, Flytrap keeps track of what you're doing. That means smoother workflows and way fewer rewrites. It's like having an AI that actually remembers what you're working on. The UX is clean, fast, and purpose-built. No clutter. It loads faster than most AI dashboards I've tested, over 1,000 by the way, and the latency on outputs is minimal. You can fly through content creation without ever feeling slowed down. Flytrap AI comes loaded with pre-built workflows. You're not starting from scratch. Need SEO content, high-converting email sequences, video scripts like this one? You just select your goal, feed it a few inputs, and Flytrap handles the rest. It's ideal for solo founders, marketers, or anyone looking to replace 3-4 tools with one streamlined solution. Privacy matters, and Flytrap actually respects that. No data reselling, no sketchy third-party tracking. For those of us running client work or handling sensitive brand material, this is a big deal. Now here's a heads up. While Flytrap AI is great, it's not perfect. Some workflows are still evolving. If you're looking for advanced coding or dev level tasks, it's not quite there yet. But for marketing, sales, and content, it punches way above its weight. And here's the kicker. They're adding real-time data capabilities and API access very soon, which could put it in direct competition with tools like Jasper and Copy.ai at a fraction of the price. So before you go testing it out, remember, you can try Flytrap AI completely free from the first link below. No credit card needed, but here's why you'll want to stay to the end. I've also listed my top recommended AI tools that beat out 95% of what's out there, based on actually using and testing thousands of them. If you're serious about staying ahead with AI and digital marketing, check the description, start with Flytrap AI for free, and explore the tools that actually deliver real results.